Alright, so itinerary for today, guys. It's not actually here on my phone. We're going to do a bit of, when we get to greenhouse at around 11, depends on what time she wakes up. We'll do a bit of a meetup from 1 till about 2. We'll ask my friend Richard if he has a Vios or a Hilux. We can use it from 2 till about 3:45. And then 3:45 till about 5 we'll go to UP Town Center because we have this function, okay? And then from 3:45, from 5 o'clock till about 8, we'll go meet up this real estate person who works who is in Timog, okay? We're going to talk about business, okay? And then from 8 o'clock till about 2 in the morning the next day, which is tomorrow, we're going to meet with Mr. Francis and Mr. Angelo Gonzaga of PhilAm, okay? We're going to talk about what's their business, okay? And then we're also meeting up with Francis De Leon of BGC. We're going back there. From 3 o'clock till about 5, we have another meeting with Mr. Renzo. Mr. Renzo. Yeah, that's about it. Now, the problem kasi guys, if we have a car, diba my girlfriend will be with me, right? So we have all the sounds, all the tunes. The problem lang, if ever we use it, dapat nasa parking tayo. If ever kung hindi dito, I'll drop her off. So saan ka magpapark? Promenade, kasi mas malapit ako doon, di ba? Eh, di ba problema lang, promenade. Ano problema? You know, mine always last minute, di ba? Tapos one evening, or one afternoon, asan ka? Sabi, hi Han, dito lang ako sa promenade from 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 8, nagtambay. Bigla she texted me, says, balik ka dito, may utos ako. Ano utos? Hindi ba nakikita yung mga messenger ko? Tapos bigla, sino ba to Han? Sino ba to? Tropa ko. Diba? Kasi guys, I'm looking for... Hey! Speedy! Stop! Sir Edwin! So yeah, my hair is super long already. Wow. We might go to Glorieta tomorrow because I'm gonna have a meeting with Sina Tony, Tasha, John, and Ara. We have to talk about what's gonna happen kasi this ID thing, for the car, I'm waiting for it now. Sir Francis said another set of ID that needs to be done. And then 3 months latest bank statement. Passbook. So, kasi if you're gonna get this car, guys, we'll drive it. Pero my problem is Myla. Kung saan ka magpa-park, doon lang. Alam mo, pag park ko doon sa parking, sabi mo, saan ko park? Malamang, promenade. Mas malapit ako doon. Sure ka? Oo. Tapos, go to the promenade, park there for I don't know how long. Tapos bigla sabi, asan ka? Hi, nandito na ako sa parking. Picture ka, send mo sa messenger. She doesn't even know anything, right? Tapos, I sent her the picture. Hi, Han, dito na ako hanggang 5, hanggang 8. Tapos bigla sabi, bakit hanggang 8? Anong ginagawa mo? Macdo, promenade, diba? Alam mo? So, yeah. We need one more ID pala, no? So, nung gabi, we started to go to BGC. Tony and the gang invited me to lunch. Pero my mom says, Andre, Myla, yes, tita. Andres will go out lang sandali. Okay lang. He'll meet you na sa Green Hills. Okay, Green Hills na. Because Tony, Tasha, and John and Ara are actually going to meet in BGC. He needs to use the car because John and Tony are coming from APC, right? You'll make sabay with him. Wala silang kotse.
Maricel? Maricel, tawag ka.
And then, Myla came, saw them, says, hi, ano wala ka nyo today? Myla, wala kang pakialam doon. It's our meeting. Okay lang ba gamitin namin yung kotse nyo? Sasama ako. No. Myla, this is a meeting that Andreas and Tony will attend. After the meeting, Andreas will go straight to your house, diba? Diba, Tony? Hey, Pancho! You look good, bro! So, yun. And then, nung gabi, diba, siguro we were at BGC to about what time. I asked them, you guys, alam mo, my girlfriend has not been very good to me. What does she do, bro? Number one, every time I have a car, she doesn't even allow me to go anywhere. Alam mo, that's her problem eh. Ikaw, pwede ka mag-drive, diba? Yeah. I don't know what to say, Andres. Kasi, she's in your life na eh. No, I want her out already. Para tapos na. Tita, ha? Yes. I plan to ask if it's okay with you kasi my last has been very good to Andres lately. Diba? So, what we'll do, we bring this power bank for in case it gets low bat, diba? AirPods, which is good. Charge it. We need a passbook. Yeah, Meralco. Yeah. See, it says here 3 months latest bank statement. So dapat yung mga Meralco, diba? Need to find if she has a Meralco thing. I'll see you guys later. See you.